Hey friends, if you wish to change, enable or disable user account control settings, then please watch this video. This is very important for your convenience. So search for UAC in the Windows search bar, which is short for user account control. Click on change user account control settings. To increase it, you can increase it to the top level or you can decrease it. So the everything is in these four bars. The first bar is where you will not be notified at all. The second one is when you will get notifications, but it doesn't make any, it doesn't dim the desktop or doesn't make any noise. Okay, the third one is a little more strict where it also dims your system and you get notified very, very clearly. And the top one is the one where you will always be notified. I don't recommend this. Okay. Now see, here's the thing. I keep it at never notify because I'm the administrator myself and I'm the only one using the computer, so I have no, difficulties in installing software products and apps and all. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.